In today's video, you'll learn about Shopify's best print-on-demand apps. If you're thinking about opening an e-commerce dropshipping store selling printed clothing, mugs, fridge magnets, or any other customized items, and don't have the resources to hold a large inventory, then this video is for you. My name is Rory Hughes, and I am from Acquire Convert, the place where entrepreneurs go to learn Shopify growth. And in this video, you'll learn about which app is better, Printful or Printify, and how to set up your Shopify store with Printful in a follow-along tutorial. So keep watching. So why print on demand? You may be wondering, why print on demand? Well, these apps can help you process orders automatically, customize designs, print according to order specifications, attach branded labels to orders, ship the items in a timely fashion around the world. We've made life easier by taking the top two and listing their pros and cons. So let's dive in. Printful. It's completely free to install and use. You only pay per ordered product. Printful features in all the best print-on-demand Shopify app lists. So why buck the trend? Its thousands of positive reviews are a good indication of its performance and popularity. You can customize all sorts of different products, have them printed by the in-house Printful team, and get them shipped rapidly from the US, Mexico, or Europe. Main features and benefits. One-stop print-on-demand, ordering, inventory, printing, and shipping services. Products are shipped automatically within 3 business days. Shipping costs can get as low as $3.99 in the USA. Production is controlled in-house from start to finish, meaning consistent quality. A wide distribution network in North America and Europe. Over 230 customizable products, including backpacks, hats, and phone cases, as well as clothing. Custom product branding second to none. Custom tags, inserts, and stickers. Very strong on embroidered designs. Your customers can design their own items in your store. Built-in mock-up generator. Provides design ideas or templates if you don't have your own. Logo design and photography services available. Discounts offered on sample products allow you to test out new offers affordably. And the negatives? Some users may find developing products a little more complex than using other available apps on the market. Products may work out slightly more expensive than in other apps, but most users find that the quality and consistency make it worthwhile. If you're considering Printify versus Printful, then keep on watching the next section to make a decision. Printify. The price is $29 per month, but it provides discounts on orders for up to 10 stores. There is also a free plan available for a maximum of 5 stores. Enterprise plan is available on application. Printify is another mainstay of best of lists when it comes to Shopify print-on-demand apps. It's always there because of its strong feature set and performance, evidenced by over 1,300 largely positive reviews. The app has an official add-on for Shopify store compatibility. With more than 250 customizable products printed in over 90 locations across the world, this is one of the largest and most established services for stores that are looking to sell globally. Main features and benefits. Customize and ship over 250 different types of products from an ever-growing catalog. All production and order fulfillment is taken care of by Printify. Printed in many locations from the US, UK, Germany, and Australia via a network of printing partners. An easy-to-use mock-up generator to design products and preview them. Direct-to-garment, sublimation, cut and sew, embroidery, and other printing options available. It's ideal for beginners looking to get established in dropshipping. Very cost-effective, according to almost all users. 24/7 merchant support, even on the free plan. Premium plan is ideal for established brands with up to 10 stores and multiple print-on-demand brands. In this case, they also offer a 20% discount. Any negatives? Occasional reports of slow dispatch from users. Because they use multiple printing partners around the world, the printing quality may vary. Now let's see how easy it is to set up your store on Printful. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account and under Apps, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. Step 2. Type Printful into the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Printful app and add the app. Step 4. Sign in with your email, Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Step 5. Insert your name, email, set a password, and sign up. Step 6. Choose one of the selections from the dropdown and voila, you're ready to connect your store. So, did you enjoy today's video? Then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Acquire Convert YouTube channel right now. Just click on the button somewhere down here. Then click the notification bell to make sure you never miss any of our free videos. If you want exclusive Shopify app discounts and Shopify marketing tutorials that we only share with our subscribers, then head over to acquireconvert.com/yes and sign up for our newsletter. It's free. But now it's over to you. So which app from today's video will you choose? Printify or Printful? Got more questions? Leave a comment below the video right now and we'll get back to you with more free advice.